Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Notion Hub, and in this video, I'm going to be doing a speed test between Xiaomi's Mi A2 and the Vivo V9. Now these are the specifications of both phones. Mi A2 sports a Snapdragon 660 processor with Adreno 512 GPU, while the Vivo V9 sports a Snapdragon 626 processor with Adreno 506 GPU. Now these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Purely based on raw performance, whether it is CPU performance or GPU performance, Mi A2 is definitely way better. So let's see how it performs. Now for the regular speed test, I'll open the first 12 applications on both phones at the same time, and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it exactly is. By the way, both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the applications have been updated to the latest version. So let's see how they perform. In the speed test, there wasn't a huge difference between both phones, but Mi A2 was faster for most of the applications. So in the speed test, I'll pick Mi A2 as the winner. Now for the memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. Now let's see how they perform. Memory management is equally good on both phones, so for this round, I'll call it as a tie. Now for the last speed test, I'll open the last 4 games on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster. While opening games, Mi A2 was noticeably faster than Vivo V9. So guys, on the whole, if you're looking for better performance, Mi A2 is definitely the winner. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test and memory management test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy any of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from Notion Hub signing off. Have a nice day.